Welcome back to the Spanish Revival. Today we paint some of the kitchen cabinets with the color Trench from Luxens. We sand more cabinet doors and paint some of them in black. We spray paint and customize one of the iron handles. And to wrap things up, we prepare a traditional paella a la leña using fresh rosemary from the garden. If you like renovation videos and Spanish guitar sounds, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. The paint that we're using is bought at Leroy Merlin. It's a satin enamel for furniture and kitchen or bathroom tiles called Trench. We're applying the same paint to both the kitchen wall tiles and the top kitchen cabinets in an attempt to make them blend. It's an old kitchen and we wanted to paint the cabinets before we eventually knock everything out and replace the entire kitchen. According to the seller, this paint can be applied to ceramics, wood, plastic, plywood, fiberglass, plasterboard and laminate, but we made sure to sand every surface for better adhesion. As you can see, there are a lot of cabinet doors to sand. And it's important if you want the primer to properly adhere to the surface. Sanding helps create a smooth surface by removing any old imperfections that might prevent the primer from adhering. Skipping this step could lead to uneven paint coverage or peeling over time. So it's worth taking the extra effort to get it right. With a bit of patience, this preparation ensures the final result looks clean, polished, and durable. cabinets we see here will be painted in the same trench color along with the wall tiles to hopefully make them blend together. But first, a bit of sand. This pile of cabinets are being painted black, while this pile is being painted trench. Black paint is for the bottom cabinets and trench for the top. Now, time to prime the cabinets. It's finally time to add the black paint. Compared to the trench colored paint, which needs 3 to 4 coats, this paint only needs 2. It's providing great coverage. Time again to add some more trench to the cabinet doors. Now to an entirely different makeover. We found this old greasy iron handle that clearly needed a good deep cleaning. figured that we could spray paint the foundation and polish the hook. Thanks for watching this episode on the Spanish Revival. Please like and subscribe and follow along as we renovate the 7-bedroom Spanish villa episode by episode. Until next time, hasta luego.